My beautiful flowers. See, white color, pink color, and this one is light pink, hot pink, and so many different colors. See, so beautiful. So beautiful. You can see my beautiful flowers. Pink here. This one little bit different color. Hot pink, white, and some more in pink color. So beautiful, so beautiful fresh flowers. Look here, just grown from cuttings, and no need much care, just watering the plants, that's it. You can just cut one like that, just cut with the, so easy, this one, just, so this one just clean up and just, you can see here my small pot. Just plant like that and press here, so that's it. See, this one is very easy to plant, and just a little bit water and this one start growing. So beautiful fresh flowers, so beautiful.